Build it. Build it.
Nope. Kinda. Yeah. There we go. That's it. Right there.
I had no clue. I asked people, not, I've only told like 3 people. I asked them why. I don't know why. I have no clue. It's it just has to be done. It's not from me. It's from something else. Good numbers. I just want to give you a little update. Got this separated, pulled apart, but there she is. I'm gonna put her on the engine stand. Got the cleaned out the old ultrasonic cleaner. Got that just going. Got some of those rods and pistons in there. Get them cleaned up and see if they don't loosen up a bit. Seems a little tight. So give that some time. For these on the outside, I ordered chrome hex head, Allen head for those chrome with washers, and I figured up here we just reuse the old ones. Can't see them. Gonna paint this with a metallic engine paint. Ordered a few more of those. Not gonna do the Chevy orange. I'm gonna go with a metallic, make it stand out. So, I suppose I'm gonna reuse the old cam bearings. I think it'll be alright. Can't see that, but we're gonna reuse those. Start getting this chassis together. The frame rail should be here this week. Well, things are moving along. I think I got that pretty darn good and clean. For paint anyway. I was kind of wrong about that head not fitting in there. I know I get too close, you can't hear, but by golly, it does actually fit in there. And then I'll flip it around and catch the other side. They're coming out okay. Takes the paint right off. I think we're all a go for Saturday, Easter weekend and all. We're good to go. Moved a wall 8 inches this morning. That was phenomenal. So I wanna, I guess, just bring all this stuff. Got her all cleaned up. I'm gonna bring everything, and we'll just see what the hell happened. Deadline is 4th of July. I wanted to be able to drive this thing around and have it, and we're gonna stick to it. It's coming quick, but it's gonna be paperwork. It really, I think, will be. I'm sure there'll be a million things to do next year, 4th of July, but it'll resemble and be plenty of fun by then. That's all this is. If it's not gonna be fun, we ain't gonna do it. We'll scrap what we got. We got a hell of a start. So, there it is. We've had to open up like 5 boxes, and we still ain't there. Still gotta open it up yet. I got the noisy gear set. Pictures. I was all excited. I tell you what, it's going to be a big day. We got a lot of parts. Well, you'll be glad to see I'm wearing my blue shirt today. Next week isn't going to go quite as planned. This week went pretty darn good. Cam came in, got some other neat stuff. I know it's going to get loud with that thing, but oil pan bolts, chrome head bolts, and there's a whole slew of other stuff. I got the crank cooking. So I guess as far as the insurance, as soon as this frame is built and I can start making a body and it resembles something of what's going to be, I'm going to start that process, because I bet it'll take 30 days or better. So that's going to be a bit of a headache. And then insurance, I don't care. Once there's a VIN number, they have to do with whatever it is they're going to do for. I'm going to grind these heads. Me and my buddy Randy, we're going to grind the heads Saturday. But I pretty well got everything we need here to put this together. I know it gets loud on everybody, but you know, cooking the head over there, I got sonic cleaner to cook them. Polish things up. So perfect. I'm going to plastic gauge this, and I will fill them up, but I'm also going to turn this thing with a drill I intend to turn it with a drill to prime it with the oil pump, but I guess we'll see what happens. Well, she's got that much done. I suppose we could hook up the timing gears, start getting ready for lifters, oil pump. Got the valve seals coming Tuesday, so I can get those put back together and we'll be rocking and rolling. There's more of it. Yeah, so it'll be. You know, waiting for valve seals. I can keep working on this, get the cover on it. Sure hope that valve body works. But there it is.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
Yep. Oh.
No, let's turn it. other way. Good job. That's it. That's good. The header's just thinking there ain't no room for a frame rail there, dude. I mean, by the time that motor mount comes here and it all hooks up, I mean, you gotta, it's over there. It'll work, but it'll be under the frame, behind the frame, and out under the frame. So, anyways, boxes did come today. Got some of these chrome-plated plugs, the distributor wires, a couple of different styles of fuel filter. And check this out, I ordered electric chokes for these. So I'm gonna That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's kick-ass. Yeah. I won't sit in the chassis that high, but that is a monster looking thing for a Munster mobile. That would be it. That's what it turned out. Perfect. Not too tight. You break it? So, I know you love that device there, but if I don't like it, I'll take it off. This feels right to me at the moment. But that frame rail would be sitting right through here, motor mount, but that frame rail would be sitting through here on each side, which seems pretty good on the engine. Now, they're mentioned to go off of the radiator, which we do have. This is what we got for a radiation device. I know it's not a great picture because I'm trying to hold it up in the air, but it does fit between the frame rails. So this is just the standard Model A front chassis mount